Welcome students, how are you all? I hope you will be fine. Students, today we are going to revise sentences. Okay, so for the revision of tenses, I am giving you the both ways, English plus Urdu, so you can learn them more comprehensively. Firstly, when we have done tenses, we have done it totally in English. I have told you about the formalization structure of the tenses. I will share that video with you as well, and I will share the link with you. But for the good practice, you should know them in Urdu as well. Actually, for the 8th, 9th, 10th level, you must know the English to Urdu translation. For 6th and 7th class, it is little different. 6th and 7th class will make sentences only in English when you will write them on your loose sheet. 6th and 7th class will write 10 to 15 sentences of present indefinite tense only in English. I write a letter, you write a letter, Rizwan and Arsalan write a letter, I do not write a letter, do I write a letter, like this. Okay, and for 8th, 9th and 10th you will write the Urdu lines. तुम एक ख़त लिखते हो या मैं एक ख़त लिखता हूँ. I write a letter, like this you will write on the loose sheet and then you will submit your work. Okay, this was all about for the classes, how you will write your work. Now come toward the tense, present indefinite tense. First of all, student, I will discuss what is tense. Tense is a group of words. When a group of words are combined together, they become tense. For example, अगर हम यहाँ पे देखते हैं, he book reads. These are three letters. When we join these three letters, he reads a book. It becomes a tense. Okay, clear to you? How the words combination becomes tenses. Now coming toward the structure, how tenses are formulated. First of all, in one sentence, subject, verb and object should be there. एक टेंस में सब्जेक्ट, वर्ब एंड ऑब्जेक्ट होना लाजमी है. व्हाट इज सब्जेक्ट? फाइल, जिसे हम उर्दू में कहते हैं. सब्जेक्ट इज अ पर्सन ऑन whom a person who is doing work. For example, I, for example, you, for example, Ali, for example, Amina. Verb is called fail in Urdu. Verb is an action word. An action which take place in the tense is called a verb. एक बंदा, एक आदमी या एक काम जो कर रहा है, जो एक्शन प्लेस हो रहा है उस जगह पे, एक्शन को हम फिर वर्ब कहते हैं. ऑब्जेक्ट, व्हाट इज ऑब्जेक्ट? ऑब्जेक्ट इज अ थिंग ऑन विच सम वर्क इज गोइंग ऑन. मफूल, एक चीज़ जिसके ऊपर काम हो रहा है. ठीक है. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल स्टूडेंट, प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनेट टेंस का फॉर्मलाइजेशन क्या है? सब्जेक्ट, वर्ब, ऑब्जेक्ट, जिसको हम शॉर्ट फॉर्म में SVO भी कहते हैं, और उर्दू में हम इसको मफूल, फेल और फ़ाइल का मजमुआ मिलकर एक जुमला बनाते हैं. ठीक है. अब हम जो है इस मस्बत में जुमलों में सब्जेक्ट को दो हिस्सों में तकसीम कर सकते हैं. ही, शी, इट सिंगुलर नाउन होते हैं. इनके साथ फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब जब लगेगा तो S और ES का इजाफा होगा. When we will use the first single noun or a third person with the first form of verb, the addition of S and ES will come. Here is an example. He reads a book. He read a book. Is it right? No. He reads a book. अगर ये यहाँ पे हो I, तो क्या होगा? I read a book. S will not come. Okay, because I, we, they are plurals, plural nouns, or they are the first person, and he, she, it are the third persons. I, we, they are the first person. He, she, it pronouns are the third persons. Okay, So with the single noun and with the pronouns we will use the addition of s and es, and with the first person I, we, they or plural noun we will not add, okay, s and es. I write a letter, you write a letter, Rizwan and Arsalan write a letter. Okay, clear to you? Okay, this is all about the simple tense. When we will make the negative sentence with this, he does not read a book. The addition of do and does will come again. Do will come with the plural nouns and does will come with the single nouns. Single noun, she, he, it, the. So she does not write a letter, he does not write a letter, it does not rain, Zishan does not go to school. And when first person or a plural noun is coming, I, we, you, they, so do will come. Okay, clear? And with the addition of this helping verb do, s or es will not come with these verbs. Okay, here you will write she does not write a letter. When does will come, s and es will be skipped because this s and es is already here. Clear? Now coming toward the interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences are the sentences in which we put question tag, we put question mark on the end. A sentence becomes इंटेरोगेटिव. एक जुमला जो सादा है जब उसको सवालिया अंदाज में करेंगे दैट विल बिकम इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस. मैं एक ख़त लिखता हूँ, आई राइट अ लेटर. मैं एक ख़त नहीं लिखता हूँ, आई डू नॉट राइट अ लेटर. क्या मैं एक ख़त लिखता हूँ, डू आई राइट अ लेटर. क्या मैं एक ख़त लिखता हूँ, डू आई राइट अ लेटर. डू आई राइट अ लेटर विल बिकम अ क्वेश्चन because something have been asked to you that is not sure. Okay, so students, I am clarifying in both ways, in English and Urdu. So if any student will find difficulty only in English, so they can learn in both ways. That's why my purpose of revision in both languages is to make your mind more clear about the tenses. So you are in the senior classes, you should be cleared about the tenses what you are speaking. Okay, now I am giving you some exercises. I will share the image of exercise number 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, 11 till here, till present indefinite tense. For 6 and 7 class, you will only look the English of these present indefinite tense, and for 8, 9, 10th, you will see the English plus Urdu translation. You will keep hand here, your hand like this, and you will translate these Urdu tenses into English on the loose sheet, and you can choose different one as well. Okay, you can take some other grammar, some other resource pack, your own ideas, and write 10 to 15 sentences on loose sheet and share it. You can tell the rules in your own way. You can make your video more beautiful. How do you like to explain it? I want video and written tenses of all of you. Okay, thank you so much. Do revise present simple tense, present indefinite tense. Tomorrow one by one we will complete these 12 tenses in bilingual manner, and I hope so it will help to you. It will long last in your memory till your last breath. I want this. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.